Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning letter O. So you can see this is a capital O and this is small o. ये क्या है? Capital O और ये है small o. So let's trace the letter O with your finger. क्या करना है हमें लेटर O को फिंगर से ट्रेस करना है. सो हम कैसे करेंगे? विल जस्ट स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. हमें इस लेटर O को अपने इंडेक्स फिंगर से ट्रेस करना है. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, मेक अ कर्व, ओके, एंड ऐसा सर्कल बनाना है. दैट इज कैपिटल O. Which letter is this? Capital O. Okay. So say the names of the pictures that begin with O sound. Say the names of the pictures that begin with O sound. Which are those pictures? Orange, ostrich and octopus. We'll repeat once again. You have to say after me, okay? Orange. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for octopus. फिर एक बार करेंगे हम, फिर एक बार बोलेंगे. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for octopus. So here trace the letter O with crayon. क्या करने बोला है हमें यहाँ पे? लेटर O को येलो कलर से क्रेयॉन से ट्रेसिंग करना है. सो टेक योर येलो कलर. This is the yellow color, you can see. So what are we going to do? We are going to trace the letter O with yellow color. We'll start from here. Start making a curve and continue this and make a circle. So you can see we have completed tracing the letter O with crayon with yellow color. We'll do once again. This is how we are supposed to do. हो गया ना? कितना easy है, simple है ना? So say the names of the pictures that begin with O sound. Say the names of the pictures that begin with O sound. O for ox. O for otter and O for olives. फिर एक बार रिपीट करेंगे. You have to repeat after me. O for ox, O for otter and O for olives. So say O for octopus. Say O for octopus. O for octopus. So color the octopus. तो हम octopus को color करेंगे. So we'll take a golden color from this and we'll use a golden color for this. Okay. Let's start coloring. You can use cream color. You can even use the cream color, pinkish color, pink color. Okay. तो कलर आप बाहर मत निकालिए, अच्छे से कलर करना है ऑक्टोपस को. देखो आपकी टीचर कैसे कलर कर रही है, वैसे ही कलर करना है. स्लोली कीजिए आप. ओके. कलर को बाहर नहीं निकालना है। So you have to do coloring. And this is how we have completed coloring the octopus. Next there is O for ostrich. So you have to color the ostrich with pink color. You have to color the ostrich with, this is the pink color. So this is your homework. You have to color the ostrich picture. You have to say O for ostrich, okay, and then you have to color. So color only the oranges with O. Color only the oranges with O. So you can see there is a picture of oranges given here. कितने सारे oranges है ना, और उसमें क्या दिए है, alphabets. So what are alphabets are here? Which alphabets are here? You can see there is a B, O, again N, O. So ये सारे alphabets है, लेकिन which alphabet we are going to color is, which letter we are going to color is, that is O. जो orange पे only letter O है, उस orange को हम क्या करेंगे, color करेंगे. So we'll use here orange color for this. We'll use orange color for this. So this is the orange color. So let's start coloring O, letter O and the orange with orange color. So this is how it is. O for orange. Next O letter is here. So color this picture. This is O for orange. Okay, so where all you can see, it's here. You have to color this orange, again this and this. More three are remaining. Okay, that is your homework. Now we'll learn letter P. P for, this is capital P and this is small letter P. This is capital P and this is small letter P. So how do we are going to trace the letter P? With our index finger, right? So take your index finger, फिर make a standing line, and from here on the tip we'll start making a curve. This is how we are going to write the letter P. Once again we'll do this standing line and then make a curve. This is capital P. So say the names of the pictures that begin with P sound. Say the names of the pictures that begin with P sound. So P for parrot, P for pumpkin, and P for peacock. Repeat once again after me. फिर एक बार हम दोहराएंगे इसे. चलो. P for parrot, P for pumpkin, P for peacock. So now we'll take violet color and we are going to trace the letter P. Now we'll trace the letter P. So take this violet color, make a standing line and then make a curve. Make a standing line and then make a curve. So P for pigeon. बोलो सब लोग. Repeat after me once again. P for pigeon, P for pastry, P for pastry, P for pineapple, P for pineapple. Once again we'll repeat all the names which sounds with letter P. P for pigeon, P for pastry, and P for pineapple. So here we are going to color the P for parrot with green color. We'll use green color. This is the green color. So let's start coloring the parrot with green color. So P for parrot. Okay, let's start coloring with green color. So this is how we are going to complete coloring the parrot with green color. So P for parrot. So next you can see there is a picture of pumpkin. So all of you say P for pumpkin. So you have to use orange color or yellow color for this, and you have to say and then start coloring. P for pumpkin. Next you can see color only the pots with P. Color only the pots with P. So here we'll use the brown color for this. P for pot. So you can see there is a P letter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 spots which has letter P. So you have to color this spot where there is a letter P. To start coloring with brown color, we'll use brown color for this, and slowly we are going to color this spot. So this is how we have completed coloring this pot which has letter P. So in the same way we are going to color this pot, the second one, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ये 6 pots को हम कौन सा कलर करेंगे? ब्राउन कलर. Then you can see, color the picture that begins with the sound of the given letter. What are we going to do here is, we are going to only color those picture which starts with letter M, N, O and P. So color the picture that begins with the sound of the given letter. Whichever the letter is given here, we are going to color the pictures with that with the same letter which is given here. So M for mango. So we are going to color the, which picture we are going to color? We are going to color the picture of mango. So here we'll use yellow color. So color this picture now. Then there is a letter N. N for nest. So which picture will color? We'll color the picture of nest. Say all of you, N for nest. So till now we have learned letter M, M for mango. Then we have learned letter N, that is N for nest. Then which letter we have learned? We have learned letter O, that is O for orange. And then we have learned letter P, P for pineapple. So now we are going to color the picture of orange. O for orange. Start coloring picture of orange. We'll use orange color for this. And we'll use green color for the leaves. Okay, and the last one is P for pineapple. So you are going to color the picture of pineapple. That is your homework. Next, we are going to match the letters by tracing the dotted lines. So use your pencil to trace these dotted lines. We are going to match the letter M to letter M. So use your pencil over here. I am using pen so that you can see it clearly. So this is how we are going to match. देखा आप लोग ने, ऐसे हमें मैच करना है. नेक्स्ट हम कैसे मैच करेंगे? लेटर N. So where is next letter N? It's here. So match it. This. Then we'll match letter O. This is how we are going to match letter O. Then we'll match letter P. This is how we have matched letter P. Now we are going to match the letters to the pictures by tracing the dotted lines. How we are going to match? We are going to match the letters to the pictures. यहाँ पे letters दिए हैं and यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? Pictures दिया है. You can see here they have given the letters and on the next side we can see that there are pictures related to the letters. So we are going to trace the dotted lines so that we can match these letters to their pictures. So let's start tracing the dotted lines. M for mango. So trace the dotted lines. So this is how we are going to match it. है ना, ऐसे हमें करना है मैच. This is how we are going to do. Next, N for, what is N for? N for nest, है ना. O for क्या है? What is O for? O for orange. And P for, what is P for? P for parachute. So you have to write in your notebook. Parents, kindly help your kids to make this kind of rows, lines, so that they can write it down, the letter O and P in their notebook. So we'll just write it. Capital O, O for orange. Each time when you write, you have to say and write. O for ostrich, O for oyster. Okay, you have to write 4 times in one page. एक पेज में 4 कॉलम्स बनाने हैं और 4 बार लिखना है. This is how you are going to write 3 times in your notebook. That is your homework. The next page will write letter P. P for parrot, P for peacock. You have to say and write. P for parrot, P for pen. So each time when you write, you have to say and write. Even this letter you have to write 3 times in your notebook. How many times will you write? 3 times. Okay.